Well, it is October 18th, 2019, and we're looking at the oil chart. Now, this is my second video, and I do trade the CFDs. So this morning we are at 9:11, and I already entered into a trade. It looks like we're going to be going short today. So I entered in around 54.35 mark, and I expect at least a minimum move down to the 53.40, 45 mark in around here. If I can get that for today, I'd be happy. But I am going to leave this open because we may get a rundown past yesterday's opening, or yesterday's lows. So I'm going to keep that in mind for today, but I definitely will be pulling out some around this in this area right in here. So I'm going to put this on pause, and we'll see where it goes. Okay, so we're about 45 minutes into the opening trading day. So I entered short at 53.45, or sorry, 54.35. I have my stop at 54.95, and my target today will be in the 53.55 area. So this is something I want to talk about real quick. Is, I got in as the price was dropping, and people say, don't try to catch a falling knife, and that's very true. The out to that is, if you're experienced and you've done it many times and you're confident, you can do it, which that translates to, yeah, I've done this many times. I know what to watch for. My stops are in place. Overall, I know that the market is going to be dropping down, and chances are it's going to pull back, which it did, back up to the 54, 56 level. It could have went a little bit higher up into this area, but what that does, that gives me more information about when to get out today and what the likelihood is how far it's going to go down. So that all being said, the whole point of this is to show people that are interested in trading that it can be done very successfully. Of course, I won't be able to teach you everything that I know in one day. It's going to take several weeks, perhaps even months. But those who are dedicated, you will be able to learn how to trade successfully. One of the other things too is, I'm going to be asking, I'm going to put a lot of questions out there for you guys. I mean, you can't teach anybody anything. They have to learn it. So that's my approach to this is, I'll show you, build up, some confidence, so you guys believe what I say, and I'll be demonstrating that day in, day out, or whenever I trade. I'll be recording it and sharing it with you guys, and I'll be giving you guys some information to think about. And I would suggest that you ask questions. Ask yourself questions as to why I do what I do. And as time moves forward, it'll become more apparent, and you'll be able to learn to be a successful trader. So let's put this on pause for now. Again, my target is 53.55 in this area. Now, it may go a lot further down, and that's okay too. What I'm going to watch for is how quickly it comes down, and play it by ear. All right, I'll put you on pause, and we'll check back later. Okay, we're sitting here at 12:20. We did hit the target range. So yeah, another profitable day. I don't think the day's quite over. We're at 12:20. I think I'm going to pull half my profits out right now, and kind of see where the day takes us here. I'm going to bring my stop down. 25 should do it. So I locked that profit in, pulled out half my profits, or half my trades. So let's see how far it goes down. Okay. One thing you'll notice about my graphs is they're pretty straightforward, pretty simple. I could put together a chart that'll just bedazzle you, but I don't think it'll serve the purpose. Not that long ago, I was sitting in a boardroom and review presentations and charts, and what I found was some of these presentations would be so elaborate that I spent 10-20 minutes just getting my head around what the hell I was looking at, trying to make sense of it. And I knew if I was doing that, other people in the room were doing the same thing. There's a time and place for that kind of information, and this is not one of them. I'm a strong believer in plain English and pie charts. Reason being is that everybody sees the same thing. So rather than spend your time trying to figure out what the hell you're looking at, you can actually focus more on what the information means. So that's why I lean this way. Okay, I'm going to put it on pause here, and we'll see where the rest of the day takes us. Okay, just back. It's I guess it'd be 12:50 New York time. So I exited the trade about the same price as my first half of the trade. So I'm out for the day. It may go down more, it may go up, I don't know, and I don't really care. Monday, I am a day trader, so I just trade for the day, not for the week or the month of the year. So come Monday morning, I'll take a look and take a look at today's movements and whatever it does Sunday night, and then make a plan for Monday. That's what a day trader does, as far as I'm concerned. Anyways, we got a good 75 to 80 cent profit today, 90 cent yesterday. It's my second video I'm putting out, and I will put another one out on Monday. And yeah, so far so good. Have a great weekend.